In this lesson, I'll discuss the organizational plan of the canals that we find in our cochlea. And there are 3 of them, and I'm going to color code them. One will be blue, one will be gray, and one will be orange. And we want to kind of conjure up the idea of a cinnamon roll. And of a cinnamon roll, you've got 3 things. You've got the bread, the roll, but then you have the kind of reddish cinnamon, orangey cinnamon, but you also have the lighter colored icing. So before we actually get started with this guy, we want to use, we know that the icing is on the outside, and I'm going to use blue. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a blue line here, and then just on top of that, I'm going to draw a gray line representing the dough, our cinnamon roll, and then orange, I'm going to draw one here. Now, let me go back and write these down in color, because just like on your models, the blue here is the tympanic duct. The gray will be my cochlear duct. And then my orange will represent my vestibular duct. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blue tympanic duct, and we're going to take him, and I'm going to go through 1, 2, 3 turns. And then we're going to take the gray, and we're going to go in and follow the same. And then take our orange and follow the same as well. And that is the basic plan of outline of these 3 ducts. But if we look at them, we continue from bottom to top. The tympanic duct, and in the middle the cochlear duct, and on the outside is the vestibular duct, making the organization here the ducts of our ear, of our cochlea. So this together all makes a structure known as the cochlea. And this is where we do hearing. Remember, the vestibular system handles balance, movement, direction, those sensations, this kind of proprioception. These handle the special sense of hearing, so the auditory nerve itself goes in. The auditory nerve is a division of the vestibulocochlear nerve, also known as the cochlear nerve. And that will go in to work with what's called the organa corti, which I will discuss later on in another video. But this concludes my video on the basic organization of the cochlear ducts. Thank you.